crowd, going wild, there ain't no stopping. Whoa, it goes swing, bada, bada.
Hello viewers, today's video is about order of an element. But before it, we see what is integral powers of an element. Let's start. Let G be a group. And if A, B, C be three elements in G, then we know by the associative property this holds. And we can eliminate the parenthesis and denote this equal to this. So, if A belongs to G, then A composed A also belongs to G, because G is a group, and since G is a group, so obviously G is closed under the binary composition. So obviously A composed A belongs to G. Now A composed A, this also belongs to G. And if we consider A composed A n factors, this also belongs to G. Now we define this equal to A to the power n, and we define A to the power 0 equal to E, that is the identity, and A to the power minus n, that equal to A inverse composed A inverse composed A inverse n factors. Since G is a group, so A belongs to G implies that A inverse also belongs to G. So this happens. Now we start that what is the order of an element. We know that order of an group equal to number of elements of that group. And now we define order of an element in a group. First we consider G be a group and let A be an element in G. Now A is said to be a finite order if there exists a positive integer n such that A to the power n equal to E. Okay, A to the power n, we know that this is the integral power, A composed A for n factors. Now the order of A is the least positive integer n such that A to the power n equal to E. Okay, this is n. If n is the least positive integer such that this holds, that is A to the power n equal to the identity element in G, then we say that the order of A is n, and it is denoted by order of A. So from this we can say that order of A equal to n. And A is said to be of infinite order or of order 0 if the order of A is not finite. Okay, we see some examples. The first example is, let us consider S be a set of 3 elements 1 omega omega square and the binary operation is dot. Then we know the composition table is this, and here 1 is the identity element in this group. So find the order of the elements. It is obvious that the order of the identity element is always 1. So here 1 is the identity element, so order of 1, that equal to 1. Now we find order of omega and order of omega square because there are 3 elements. Now we find that omega to the power something that equal to identity, and this power must be the least positive integer. Okay, see the composition table and we can see omega composed omega square, that equal to 1. So omega cube is 1. So we can write that omega cube equal to 1, and 3 is the least positive integer such that omega cube equal to 1. There does not exist any positive integer that is lesser or equal to 3, for which omega to the power this that equal to 1. So 3 is the least positive integer here. So order of omega that equal to 3. Now omega square to the power something that equal to 1, we find the power. So if we consider 1, then omega square, that is no. If we consider 2, then omega to the power 4, that is omega not equal to 1. Then we consider 3, so that is omega to the power 6. We can consider omega to the power 6 equal to omega cube into omega cube. Omega cube, we know that this is 1, so 1 into 1, that is 1. Here also 3 is the least positive integer, for which omega square whole to the power 3 that equal to 1. Here also order of omega square equal to 3. Okay. Now I consider the second example. We consider the second example as Z6 plus. Okay. Here the composition is addition, and for addition we find the order of an element by NA, where n is the least positive integer. We find that least positive integer such that NA equal to identity element. For addition we find this, and for multiplication we find a to the power n equal to e. So here we find NA equal to e, where n is the least positive integer. So for addition 0 bar is the identity element here. So obviously the order of identity element is 1. So we find order of the other elements. First, order of 1 bar, that equal to 1 bar into something that equal to identity element. So if we consider here 1 bar, that is 1 bar. If we consider 2 bar, so this is 2 bar. If we consider 3 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, 4 bar. If we consider here 6 bar, then this is 6 bar. We know the 6 bar equal to 0 bar. So here order of 1 bar that equal to 6. Okay. Now we find order of 2 bar. Okay. Here 2 bar that equal to 0 bar. We can see that if we write down 3 bar here, then this is 6 bar. So we know that 6 bar equal to 0 bar in Z6 plus. So order of 2 bar that equal to 3, and 3 is the least positive integer here. Now 3 bar order, that obviously 2 bar. So this is 2. Now order of 4 bar. Okay. If we consider 1 bar, that is 1 bar, 2 bar, then 8 bar, that is 2 bar. If we consider 3 bar, then obviously 12 bar, that is obviously 0 bar. So this must be 3. Now 5 bar order. If we consider 1 bar, then this is 5 bar. If we consider 2 bar, then 10 bar, that is obviously 4 bar. If we consider 3 bar, that is 15 bar, that is obviously 3 bar. If we consider 4 bar, that is 20 bar, that is 2 bar. If we consider 5 bar, then this is 25 bar, that is 1 bar. And if we consider 6 bar, then this is 0 bar. So order of 5 bar that equal to 6. And this way we find order of the elements in a group. In the next video we see some theorems about the order of elements in a group. If you want to see more videos, then please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.